Did you know that Facebook ads after 8 o'clock are viewed more than a Super Bowl ad worldwide? What are three things that you can do to make your Facebook ads better? Hey, everybody, Bizarro here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Just dropping in to give you some tips quick to build your business on the Facebook ads. And those are the three things that you can do to make it better. One, make a clear, inviting title. Two, your second line is the tip. And three, make it informative. No nonsense, no garbage, just information, providing value. You do this, you're going to see a massive increase in your Facebook conversion, and business is going to have a nice big boost. So, see you soon. Look forward to bringing you more tips.